Step 1. Setting the floor slope. Lower the optical head to about 1 foot off the floor. Level optical head by rotating eccentric wheel at rear of base until level vial registers level. Place the laser in position on top of the optical head and turn laser on. At center of front wheel of vehicle, measure the distance from the floor to where the laser strikes the measuring device. Walk to the rear wheel and at center of rear wheel vehicle, measure the point where the laser strikes the measuring device. If the measurements are not the same, the floor has a slope and adjustments are needed. Rotate the floor slope handle on the eccentric wheel left to right until laser strikes the measuring device at the same height as it did at the front wheel. Move to the center of the front wheel and measure the point where the laser strikes the measuring device. If both front and rear measurements are the same, record the position of the eccentric wheel on the floor slope label provided. If measurements at the front and rear wheels are not the same, note the front wheel measurement. Move to the center of rear wheel and rotate the eccentric wheel so laser strikes the measuring device at the same height as the front wheel measurement. Then move to center of front wheel to confirm measurements are the same. If measurements are not the same, repeat this process until both front and rear wheel measurements are the same. When both measurements are the same, make note of the floor slope number for this bay and record on the floor slope label provided. Turn off the laser and store in a safe place. Step 2. Mirror calibration. Turn the sighting unit until you can see the front edge of the optical head in the sight mirror. If line on mirror does not line up with front edge of optical head, loosen Allen head bolts located at top of the mast and align mirror with front edge of optical head. Tighten Allen head bolts. Step 3. Headlamp alignment. Position the CVA3 approximately 18 inches in front of the headlamp to be aligned. Set the floor slope to the proper setting for the current bay. Align CVA3 to vehicle using the alignment mirror and 2 common points on the vehicle. Turn on the headlamps and move optical head up, down, left to right until the visual assist meter shows its highest reading. Select headlamp pattern on the visual assist selector switch. Adjust headlamp until the most inner color of the ISO color pattern is centered over the white dot noted as low beam or high beam, and visual assist meter has reached its highest reading. Repeat the alignment process for the next headlamp to be aligned.